Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Akash Murray here, and recently I took a poll on my community on vacations. So on my Telegram channel, almost 80% people said that they feel a resistance on spending money on vacations for air tickets, travel costs, hotels and recreation expenses. So in case you're not part of my community on Telegram or are first time on this YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button for more such videos and join our Telegram community. The link is in the description. So why are vacations or recreation important in the first place? So when we go out for a vacation, you would observe that most places are very close to nature, be it mountains, rivers or seaside. So why do you feel so much relaxed at such places? The reason is that these places are close to nature and we connect with the true self, which makes our bonds stronger and creates lifelong memories. You must have experienced this in your actual life. Now, everyone likes to go on a vacation, spend time with family, rejuvenate, relax, and be out of the stress zone that we have in the uh, concrete jungles that we're staying in right now. So, going on a vacation means booking your flight tickets, hotels, and other recreation expenses. Now 2024 is coming. Just the next month, we are going to start a new year. I want you to plan for vacations of 2024. So you should plan at least for one vacation, if not two or more. Now comes like how to now comes how to how now now comes the budget for it. You may create a budget for it, maybe say 50,000 for air travel and stay at hotel, or as per your choice. So I'm giving an example of 50,000 rupees here. So considering 50,000 a day for 5-day hotel cost will be around 25,000 and air travel will be around 25,000. So this is just a rough estimate. You can plan for a lower or higher budget as well. So now these two are the biggest costs, right? The traveling cost and the hotel cost. So we are basically trying to make your vacation simpler by getting these costs from the market by doing our swing tradings. Okay. So now I'll tell you an example that we recently traded. So we traded into Spencer's Retail recently. We took the stock at around 78 rupees and sold it around at 100 and 110 rupees. So we made around a profit of around 30-35%. It went up to 50% actually, but we booked around 30-35% profits we booked into that trade. Okay. So like these kind of trades in 1 week, we got around 30-35% of profits. So these kind of trades, you have to actually save some money out of these trades and invest into a liquid mutual fund. Okay, so whenever you get these profits, withdraw it into your bank account and put it into a liquid mutual fund. So personally, I have done around 24,000 of my investment into a liquid mutual fund from these profits that I've made recently. And the liquid mutual fund that I've selected is Quant Liquid Mutual Fund. So when you invest into these liquid funds, you can withdraw this money in just 1 or 2 days. So whenever you want, you can withdraw this money. So when you decide to go for a vacation, you can pay with a credit card or cash and settle that amount by withdrawing from your liquid mutual fund. And in this way, you will have a trip sponsored by some of your stocks. And so this is the way by which we can actually plan for it. Now you may say that this seems very simple and obvious, but are you doing it? This is the question, right? Are we actually doing it? So we need to plan for it. Unless we plan for it, we will not be able to do it. So yeah, so I want you to plan for your vacations, start saving for it, plan for a budget and save for it. And in this way, if you start saving some amount, then you will not feel stressed at the time when you have to spend for your vacations, when we have to spend for the flight tickets, for hotels and all those things. So this way, it will ease your burden at the time of going for vacation and you will go happily and you will enjoy it. So thank you and have a wonderful vacation next year. Take care and bye bye.